We have enjoyed a lot because of the visitors that we have been with them here in CCRC, and I know God have a purpose for them to be here, and I want to thank you all that make them to be in CCRC, and I know God have a purpose for them to be in this place.
I'm very thankful for our visitors. We have spent time with them. They are good people. We thank you for the drum and other things. They are good visitors and we appreciate. That's all I want to say.
Yeah, I'm happy to be here, and I brought my parents to this place. It is very interesting to see how they are doing, and I'm very thankful to stay here in CCRC, to enjoy the time with the kids, and especially now with the drums. They are so happy, and I'm very thankful that I get another chance to come back after that trip to Tumaini.
Our time is already over here in CCRC. We enjoyed it very much to stay with you, to know you, and we are impressed how you are managing manage your life. And we will not forget you. We have your names, and we will pray for you, and we will bless you at the moment when we have to say bye now. God bless you.
Thanks to our friends in Switzerland who brought the materials for the cajons. Now our fundi who could fix it together so that we have now the cajon in this place. And now together with our other fundi Kagiri, we want to try to fix a new fence, because that is now a big problem and a challenge here in CCRC.